How to earn money in United States. Completely new and different way. I make 100K plus online. Click here to watch the 100% free workshop where I show you how I make 100K plus online. No prior tech skills or experience needed. Income opportunity. Don't miss the boat on this online passive. Online income workshop. Free masterclass. Part-time work, full-time income. Biggest real estate trend. No more wasting time. Energy resources hoppings to succeed. We have you covered. Learn now. The only step-by-step course you will need to succeed today. In as little as 30 days or less. Earn passive income. Invest with as little as $100. Mainvest.com. Review a variety of listings and generate potential passive income with quarterly returns. Invest in. Sign up and start earning money. Making it easy to earn. Own and share Bitcoin with as many people as possible. 12 best website to make money online. Family finance. US News. 12 best website to make money online. Upwork.com. Fiverr.com. Etsy.com. TaskRabbit.com. Wonder.com. ThreadUp.com. Swap.com. Gazelle.com. People also ask, how can I earn money in USA? How can I make $100 a day in USA? How can I earn money from home in USA? 32 proven ways to make money fast entrepreneurs. Most met status on their website that you could earn up to $25 or doing deliveries. You could also earn some tips in the process, so it's a great option for 40 easy ways to make money quickly. Earn money part-time at. The best way to make money online and offline part-time. Many original ideas on how to, and for us, it's an easy way to make fast cash from our couch. 25 ways to make money online, offline and at home. NerdWallet. Many or all of the products featured here are from our partners who compensate. This may influence which products we write about and where. 17 ways you can make money online right now, folks. But it's worth pointing out that business owner in many places tell us that it's much easier to start a business abroad because it's often less. 21 ways to earn $100 every day online, folks. On the investing side, you can invest in crowdscore loans for individuals who need to borrow money all over the United States. Returns 10 to. Online money making sites. Earn money online. Make money online with Google. Make money fast today. Creative ways to make money. What are some ways to earn money in USA? Quora. There are many ways to make money in the United States. The most common way is through a job. You can find jobs on sites like Indeed, Monster, Glassdoor.